We are back for another video. Today we are eating chicken, potatoes, and salad.
Yes,
Caesar.
we are. Caesar. Roasted potatoes and Cajun chicken that's falling off the bone. And I'm eating... Really?
Lentils.
I'm eating lentil soup with salad. No meat, no potatoes.
What is that?
Mushroom. It's burnt. Screw you, girl.
God is good. Thank you for this food that we're about to eat. May be nourished to our body. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. So guys, I'm eating that good old lentil soup. Nobody going to join me.
Nope.
I guess Piggy eater, he don't even eat salad. Well, Caesar salad.
You don't eat
What?
salad.
I'm about to say, what is the sour stuff in this?
What?
Love the dressing this on the salad.
Mm-hmm. You don't like it?
It's better than ranch.
Yeah, it's not.
It's better than ranch.
Yeah,
What did you say? The sour stuff?
Mm-hmm.
This is on sour.
Now, I'm on, what, day 3 of this soup?
No.
Monday, Tuesday,
Day
Tuesday.
1.
No. I've lost 3 pounds so far.
No claps, no nothing.
How to make?
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. What you say, Deontay?
How to make that lentil soup is in the link down below. So I should go click on it.
Yeah.
Look.
Thank you. What? She was supposed to be the one making the chicken.
What happened?
And she wanted to go take a nap.
Yep.
That chicken kind of murder.
You said you would help. Because Dee was supposed to watch it when she got up. It ain't that crispy. Is it? It's good, Dorian.
I'm taking the chicken yet.
Don't knock your drink over.
I'm casting the hot sauce.
Whoever made this, whoever this is,
You don't like it?
terrible.
What?
Pick up double mashed potatoes in the potato bar. What you got?
I'm telling y'all, I got some complaining kids. Look at them wasting that hot sauce.
What?
What's wrong? They ain't never got nothing.
Complaining kids.
What's the word?
You best believe the plate is gonna be empty.
God, that's crunchy.
So how was everybody's day today?
Short.
We did have a long day
That
though.
was alright.
For me, it was short because I didn't do anything.
Did some overtime in the heat.
Me and Dora didn't do anything.
You did. You had the videos, didn't you?
Yeah. That's something.
Yeah. That's something.
But 4:30 came around fast.
It did.
You don't need to put in chicken for
What?
Ooh.
Want these hairs?
You don't like the potatoes for real?
Who wants these potatoes?
You gotta eat.
I didn't even say potato. I said hairs. But you take it.
Uh-uh.
Alright, that's enough. I eat them.
He said haters.
He said potatoes.
No, I said hairs. It probably sounded like I said
Oh.
hairs, but I said potato.
What?
No, I said hairs. No, I
I
said.
don't want no potato, baby. Give him daddy or something.
Okay.
You just want to eat croutons.
Yeah.
Who does eat croutons?
Me?
You?
That's enough.
You can eat the rest.
You can have this one.
I wish I could have some potatoes.
What's on these potatoes?
Garlic. Onion, yeah, I love that.
That's what it is.
Garlic, onion,
And garlic.
pepper,
Good, ain't it?
No garlic.
and was it
Thank you.
spicy?
No onions. No
Boy, you
onions.
eat that all the time.
No onions.
It ain't that kind of onion. Eat it.
He said onion.
So,
I don't eat onions.
you do.
No, I don't. When?
You make onions on McDonald's burgers.
Yeah.
I'm
On
gonna go
the McDouble.
And mama don't say no onions.
I sure don't.
You eat onions. Just like you say you don't eat butter, but you put butter on there, you don't even know.
I'm ready for this week to be over with.
I'm ready for it to be over with too. I just want to lay in my bed. Even though I know that's not gonna happen.
So is there meat on this part?
Not really.
Why not?
Uh,
I'm going in your bed this weekend.
Because I'm gonna be busy.
Things to do. Alright, I'll make sure y'all not up late on Friday. Gotta go get haircuts.
Alright, look.
You miss your
Listen to
haircut?
this.
I need to make sure I'm able to check that calendar too so I can do the rest of the next month.
Yeah, because somebody got a birthday coming up. Whoop, whoop.
Nah.
Yeah,
How you feel?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
man. He said, oh, him. He said, oh, him.
Dude, your birthday was after the
Y'all daddy's birthday is next week.
You know that. It's on the 28th.
Ain't nothing next week?
You didn't.
He gonna be
That's not next week?
38.
Wow.
He's gonna be 38.
On what day?
No,
Wednesday?
30. No, 37. That you
Saturday.
Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday.
So what we
You
doing?
gotta move your sister in.
Yeah, I gotta see if I can take off.
Oh, that's right,
It's
huh?
already people already off. 2 people actually. It's actually route drivers.
Why she moving in on Friday instead of Saturday?
That's they move
Moving
in
day.
back.
Okay.
They gotta move in and they Friday, Saturday, Sunday get situated, you know.
I made a happy plate, y'all.
I don't know how people back in the days.
No meat. Vegetables and salad. It's not vegetable. I mean, it's not meat.
No.
Who's it? Wash machine or the dryer.
Sure, probably.
You know.
That's how you used to eat it back then. You couldn't eat the skin. You gonna eat the meat.
Boy, who told you that?
Back then. I'm not talking about the 80s. I'm talking about before the
The
stove.
before the what?
Any stoves and stuff, I had to use
They
fire.
always had fire oven stove looking
Like
thing.
17's caveman days.
How you know that they didn't eat the meat? Well, hell, it ain't even a such thing as a chicken.
Oh yeah.
Then what we eating it for?
Because you're
How
hungry.
you know? Somebody,
Because you're hungry.
like y'all say, don't believe everything you see. It might be lying.
Think about it. Think about it. Have you ever seen chickens running around in Africa?
Yeah. On Discovery Channel.
No, you haven't.
You didn't even hear the people like
Say
war
anything
games.
about chickens.
I don't know.
Then what you chicken made up then?
Human.
Mama.
You see, I didn't eat none.
Because you gotta eat that kennel soup.
Chemicals.
Yeah, if you think about it, you ain't never
I gotta eat what?
Chemicals.
The kennel soup.
Kennel
If you
soup.
think about it, you ain't never heard of a wild chicken. You heard of wild turkeys, wild boar, wild lions, animals in the wild. You ain't never
You said
heard.
wild
When have you
boar.
ever heard
Yeah,
What about
pigs.
cows?
of a wild chicken?
What about cows?
Wild
I
cow.
don't know about. I ain't heard no wild cow.
Or wild.
What's a wild
You
cow?
never heard of a wild lion before, but they been in
A
Africa.
cow that's on crack. That's a wild cow.
Don't hurt. You better eat that.
What do you say?
What do you mean?
I get another piece.
What is
You
salad?
ain't never
I'm
heard of
trying.
it.
What is salad?
He ain't. I don't know. What'd you say you ain't never heard of?
A wild lion.
They
wild
live
lion.
in the wild. That's how they're wild.
What is
And
this?
chickens,
wild.
chickens don't even live in here.
Chicken. That's a chicken.
They be homeless. They be homeless.
Homeless chickens. I
Wow,
get.
this salad must be good. He over there making him a second serving.
No, fuck them.
You want something else, babe?
No, I'm good.
Dorian, where you going with your plate?
You done with your chicken?
So everybody just getting up leaving. How rude.
We coming back.
How freaking rude.
Anybody tell you?
I leave, I'm going to bed. Y'all, my hair is so just all over the place right now. Took it out the ponytail because I had a headache. Comment down below if you take BC powder. Do you even know what BC powder is?
Yes.
It's the best thing Dorian.
Chill out.
It's the best thing I have ever had. It's better than Tylenol, I'll put it this way.
Yep.
Oh, today, when I was at work, somebody had some BC powder.
BC powder, just like Tylenol and aspirin and all that, it's stronger.
And it works fast.
And it works extremely fast. So you don't have
Some
to wait.
kids probably don't even know what BC powder is.
You don't have to wait that 30 minutes. 30 minutes to an hour for it to kick in.
It's not the powder you be putting in people's drinks.
You put in people's drinks. To do what?
Drinks?
No.
What he talking about? Like roofie?
No. No. Do you be making?
Like lemonade?
No, the red
You
stuff.
talking about her drink?
Yeah, like the red stuff.
I still don't know what he's talking
What
about.
red
She be
stuff?
playing the big pictures and stuff.
Lemonade or
It's
Crystal
red.
Light?
Crystal Light?
I Crystal Light.
Y'all, I'm telling you, what do we move out here for? What they teaching these kids?
Stuff that ain't gonna be useful.
The Leah, what's that called? She puts up in how
Here, let me pour it.
she puts up in how Gatorade one time and I actually didn't drink it because I thought it was mine. And she said they put some BC powder in it. I don't know what it did.
Well, she put some BC powder in this because she's trying to,
Keep her cramps.
cramps, headache, body ache, whatever.
Are you not
I'm
gonna
sorry,
try
but that ranch looks
Weird.
weird.
I'm like, look.
Do it taste weird? I don't eat ranch. I think ranch is so gross.
It's a generic version of it.
If it was generic or
Where's
regular
the
real
expiration
ranch,
date?
it still look
I
gross.
think that's the one that froze.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah, we had a refrigerator. I can't even say it went out because it didn't.
Start messing up and the
The refrigerator is a freezer now.
It was colder than the freezer.
So if anybody knows what that means, comment down below and tell us what that means.
I know everything I've seen on there talking about the capacitor and the compressor and you might as well
So
just
we had to
buy
get us a new refrigerator.
refrigerator.
And now we have a freezer.
It is
Refrigerator / freezer out in the garage.
Deep freezer.
Yeah, it's a deep freezer for us now. So it is what it is.
Look at the fire.
So what you rate the food tonight?
2.
I got a 2. You know what? Feed yourself tomorrow.
Thank you.
I believe.
Oh, I know you didn't say thank you. He said thank you. No one can go to my mama tell us I don't even feed him.
We cannot talk about this on
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Can't talk about that on YouTube.
like a caveman got a hold
Yeah,
of it.
that looks kind of creepy. That looks kind of creepy over there.
Straight real deal cannibal.
Who dropped this stuff?
Leah.
Where'd it go?
Drop a fruit pie.
You know Dorian don't play about
Wait,
that.
Bill. You don't never waste my cookies.
They ain't just yours.
Get them off.
Yes, they are.
So you're a funny looking kid.
Hey, don't start that. I ain't talking. Hey, chill.
This is
I'm gonna tell you something.
You gonna make people think you weird.
My mom said I was the best looking kid.
I did not. Yeah, I saw that food flying all over here.
Mama.
Hey, quit squeezing that.
Promise you this. Promise you this.
You better stop it. I'm gonna spank you.
how many times do I ain't been getting in trouble? Ever since we started.
Down goes Frazier.
Stop it, for you waste it.
Hey, put that cup down and eat your food. Now.
Anywho.
Out of all the kids, Dorian the most
Hyperactive.
hyperactive out of all of us. It goes Davion is the chillest.
Yeah, he's
Then
the
Leah,
back.
then me, then
They
Dorian.
probably don't even, some of the new people already don't even know who Davion is.
Oh.
They like, Davion, who's that?
The tall, well,
That's all.
medium
tall,
height, medium height black green black boy.
Don't be talking about my kid like that.
He is.
That's the oldest, y'all. That's our oldest child that's never here.
But the oldest here is Dalton.
Mm-hmm.
Question 60.
What are you doing?
I'm back in
You're not gonna be able to pick that up. You're gonna break your fork. Would you stop?
Huh?
He said, "Oh, okay. Tell me something." Hey, did you take a bath yesterday?
Yeah.
Well, you need to take one tonight. You gotta take a bath every day, okay?
Make it mandatory.
Mandatory. Just because you're a baby don't mean you're not supposed to take a bath.
When at 8 years old become a baby?
What?
When at 8 years old become a baby?
I'm 7.
When's your birthday?
He's 7.
September 19th.
That was that like 2 months?
You said it so fast. Tell him don't worry about it. Tell him worry about himself.
Oh, I got a blue one for this one. None of your business, these blacks.
Right?
It's time for you to take a bath, go to bed.
You been hanging around your box too much. That's something she was saying.
Mom.
Shoot.
She didn't say that, would
He
she?
sound like he trying to fight his sleep.
Mm-hmm. Well, guess we're done with the video.
No, we're not.
Video.
You not?
Video. Yeah, I'm so tired. I have had a long, productive day. I actually went to work. Boy!
What happened?
He fell.
That's why you sit down.
Yeah, sit down somewhere.
Put your feet under the table.
I actually went to work today and had a productive day. I spent Gerald's money.
She so did. Oh, you gotta put the clip from before. Let's talk about what we saw
No,
at Sam's.
no. They'll see it. They'll see the video.
Yeah, and the people at
Oh,
Sam's.
that's a different
the pe-
video?
And the people at Sam's go see us that we put it in there. They gonna get us next.
Why they gonna come get us?
Exposing their business.
Ah, please. They shouldn't have been doing nothing to get their business exposed. Everybody saw that.
Oh, yeah. People were cutting into Sam just to get
Look,
out.
everybody just looking. Riding, looking.
What did they say? Let's go this way. Let's see. Let's go this way.
Some I would have told
Yeah,
Gerald,
but
but Gerald wouldn't have done it.
Let's go see
I
what's
mean,
going
yeah, he
on.
would because he did it.
No,
one
he
time.
would not have.
We
would
had to
not
go that
have
way.
done that. He would have just said, "We ain't going that way."
That one
None
time
of our business.
we saw a little Rick. The only reason why we went past there because we had to go to churches. So that's why we didn't get on the holiday.
We ain't in churches. What was this?
I was going down Britain.
And the Rick, the dude
Remember,
got
I
hit.
think somebody got hit in the
Yeah.
street. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
That was
Yeah,
right across from
he
our
did
hospital.
die, huh?
The little clinic thing, clinic place. Yep.
That's sad. That is sad.
He's alright. Let's go see what happened. Let's go see what happened.
I
Oh.
just need to know.
You done?
Yes, sir.
Jordan, you can finish that.
Well, I guess we're done for the night. Dinner was good.
Thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell somebody, share it.